This 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD is brought to you by RLB Sales and Leasing. 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Crew Cab LTZ Z92 4x4. This Silverado is in above-average condition inside and out for the year and mileage, and has been adult-owned, driven, and garage-kept. Features include lift kit, 20-inch UUOD, MKW wheels with 37x 12.5R20 tires, leather interior, front brush guards, hard-to-know cover, heated front seats, navigation system, rear-view camera, AM, FM, CD player with premium Bose audio system, power moonroof, LED lights, chrome trim package, fuel exhaust system, power running boards, 6.6L Duramax turbocharged diesel V8 engine, and much more. This is a fantastic Silverado with numerous features. Assure to please, this vehicle is in above-average condition inside and out for the year and mileage. The exterior is in above-average condition for the year and mileage. The wheels are in superb condition. The interior of this vehicle is in above-average condition for the year and mileage. This Silverado was owned by a non-smoker. It drives and looks fantastic. Visit us at rlbsalesandleasing.com.